Hi children, good morning. Welcome back to our maths class. In the last class, we have taken example 11, right children? In today's class, we are going to discuss example 13, okay? What is the example 13 children? Find the value of k if 2x minus 3 is a factor of this equation, okay? So first what we have to write, given 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus k. Okay children, then 2x minus 3 is a factor it seems, so that means 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Now find the value of x here, okay? First we have to send this minus 3 to that side. So 2x is equals to, it will become plus 3, okay? X is equals to, send this 2 to that side, it will become divided by 2 because 2 is multiplying with x. When you send it that side, it will be divided, okay? Now in place of x, what we have to substitute? 3 by 2, okay? 3 by 2. Now what is our equation? Our equation is 2x square, sorry 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus k equals to 0, as we want the value of k. So equals to 0 we have to write it, okay, as it is a factor. Now in place of x, what we have to do children? We have to substitute 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 whole cube, okay, minus 9 x square means what? 3 by 2 square plus x is what? 3 by 2 plus k as it is equals to 0. Okay, now see here 2 I'll write as it is. Now 3 by 2 how many times I must take children? I should take 3 times. So 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. Then what is there? Minus 9 as it is. 3 by 2 how many times you have to take? 2 times. So 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus k equals to 0. Okay children. Now see here, 2 as it is, then bracket open, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s is 27 by 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, next minus 9, again 3 3s is 9, 2 2s is 4, okay, plus 3 by 2 plus k equals to 0. Okay children, now 2 is in numerator, 8 is in denominator, so we can cancel it. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Okay, now we are left with 27 by 4 minus 9 9s is 81 by 4. 9 we have to multiply with numerator itself children, okay? We should not multiply with denominator, okay? Plus 3 by 2 plus k equals to 0. If nothing is there in denominator with k, we can write as 1 children, okay? Now we have to do LCM, okay? LCM of 4, 4, 2, 1, okay? Now rough column. What are the numbers? 4, 4, 2, 1. 4, 4, comma, 2, 1. Okay. Now 2 table we must take. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s is 4, 2 1s is 2, 1 as it is. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 1, 1. Now LCM will be what? This we have to multiply 2 into 2. 2 2s is what? 4. So what is our LCM, children? It is 4. See here, I'll write 4. Okay. Now, in 4 table, 4, how many times it will go, children? It will go 1 time. So, into 1 you must take it here. Okay. 4 table 4 how many times? 1 time. 2 table 4 how many times? 2 times. 1 table 4 how many times, children? 4 times. Okay. Is equals to 0 as it is. Now, 27 ones are 27 minus 81 ones are 81 plus 3 2s is what? 6 plus 4 into k will be 4k. Okay. Now, see here, 27 minus 81. 27 minus 81 will be what, children? See here. Already you know subtraction. Again I will show it. We have to take borrowing, right? 11 minus 7 is what? 4, right? 7 minus 2 is what? 5. So it is 54. Which is the highest number? 81. What is the sign for it? Minus. So write minus. Plus 6 as it is, plus 4k as it is. Now send this 4 to that side. 0 into 4, when I send it that side, it will be multiplied. Okay, as it is divided, when I send that side, it will be multiplied. Now, minus 54 plus 6 will be what? Minus 48. Plus 4k as it is equals to 0 into 4. If 0 is multiplied with any number, it will give you 0, children. Okay, now 4k as it is, send this 48 to that side. So it will give you plus 48. That is nothing but k is equals to 48 by 4. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. What is the value of k? K is equals to 12. Did you all understood, children? Okay. Next sum is example 14. Okay. What is your example 14, children? Show that x minus 1 is a factor of x power 10 minus 1 and also x power 11 minus 1. Okay. So first I have to write given part. Example 14. Given, what they have given, children? They have given x minus 1 is a factor of x power 10 minus 1 and x power 11 minus 1. Okay. Okay, children, this is our question I have written. Okay. Now next, x minus 1 equals to 0. X is equals to what, children? Plus 1. Now, x power 10 minus 1. X is what? 1. 1 power 10 minus 1. 1 power 10 will be what, children? Like 1 into 1 into, you have to take 10 times. 1 ones is 1. So, if you take a 10 or 100 times, it will be 1 itself. Okay. 1 minus 1 is what? 0. Next, x power 11 minus 1. X power 11 minus 1. Now x is what? Same 1. 1 power 11 minus 1. That is nothing but again 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. That's it, children. Now example 15. What is our example 15? It is factorization, children. Okay. It is factorization. We have already learnt in our 8th class factorizations. Okay. Again I am going to explain you. Now see here, what is the question? Example 15, factorize 3x square plus 11x plus 6. Okay. So first I will write given. Example 15. 3x square plus 11x plus 6. Listen it carefully, children. 3 into 11. First we have to multiply 3 into 6. Sorry, 3 into 6. 3 into 6 will give you 18. 3 6 is 18. Now remove the factors of 18. 1 18 is 18. 2 9s is 18. 3 6 is 18. In 4 table it will not go, right? Again it will be 6 3s will be 18. 9 2s will be 18. 18 ones will be 18. Now this 1 and 8, when you add or subtract, you must get 11. So 1 minus 18 will give you as 11, children? No. 1 plus 18 will give you as 11? No, it will not give, okay? Because 1 minus 18 is minus 17. 1 plus 18 is what? It is 19. So this will also not go, this will also not go. 2 plus 9. Next 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9 is 11. So we can take this. Now 3x square as it is plus 6 as it is. Now in place of 11x, I have to write 2x plus 9x. 2x plus 9x is nothing but 11x itself, okay? So I have to split like 2 and 9 from here. Okay, children? Now, see here. From this 2, okay, from this 2, 3x square plus 2x. What is common? X is common. Now 1x we have removed. Here what is left? 3. Here 2x's were there. We have removed 1. What is left there? 1x. Plus here x we have removed, right? We have taken as common. What is left? 2. Now from this 2 what is common? Plus. Now in place of 9 I can write 3 3s are 9. In place of 6 I can write 3 2s are 6. So here and here what is same, children? What is common? 3 is common, right? Now when I removed 1 3, what is left here? 3x. Now you must not check 9, children, okay? 9 is not. 3 3s is 9. So 1 3 we have taken. One more 3 is left, okay? 3x plus. Now from 3 into 2, 3 I have removed. What is left over? 2. Now from all these, what is similar? Similar is this and this, right? So I have to take 3x plus 2. Here what is left? X. Here it is plus 3. You know already, we have done in our 8th class. Again I have explained in detail. I hope you all have understood today's topic, children. Thank you, children. Have a good day.